Ner malaken yam gana diala konti lianka roas ne guasame ka Nuer online TV channel. Te kon galer me bej me bekon linga jan guasame ne me breaking news ray which ka juba guad mi shirek che tokten jana na gorno benwa ga yekel ka jan lera me ler me bej pan ka nong dana chanonga ban je chulin kel gorno jen bi janwa ga nasen ko kien ka bi jidi bi palpin ba ko bi ling ne me rega me tokare which ka juba baje chu kwenia man chalat guasame ki lera chano ko cha jalas ka media ne nyeng South Sudan dial ano ka kwire ka manan che tok ka jishen chalat nena ciëŋ metekane di shop ka diech ciëŋ metekane diech te man ciëŋ teten kana nyeka te shop ka diok te ka kel gaja dio ja ka gwan ciëŋ ba chalado ken shikeliu guasan tiek ke nyekron cultural center ala nyekron west e wi ki juba nyen gwal dana tuorektin are wi ki juba tuorek mo ka chankos ke Saturday me mo shanka diok ka pay diech ron kina dangro ure jan dangro wi diech jan chenge dana tuorek mo ka ja dob dana tuoge jaban jelin gwata me ngum liu neri shop ka diejo ka gwak ka jen gwada kelum and a family of 5 killed after concrete wall collapse on them charado ken shikeliu keliu ken ka kuiga miche tuok ke gwada dana toiketen charado nena waken chikal pam chapen widian chimenen yana mako turna me ne me akal pam dienen kal pam chapen widian ko toike gwada mo chikal pam chapen widian ka war ko ji pinche te kan yalm dir long lo nyal chedem chikal pam mo ko kal pam poinde concrete panya lo dung pam na but jen telle chok te chunga ka kana mo ke chok jarodo shu wul pinda chikal pam mo che chu pen wi cheng ji cheng amone ateka toika keneten content yake entes nien ko chigli already wa tama gain galok teten magain galok pok kenora magain ka gat ken dangro adudia magain ke adura magain adura magain aramkel kaka guadame ke shudier magain akaniden content chi yeken chi test ni are guadan chi culture pen widian shanon semene me chai shume ko bajeling ka dobran chi ma che togoja baje kwen guasame ka dobran cha gor ke je cha gor ka tu english anirin kona chi gor dongde rande je ngaje no ngumi chi tok a family of 5 including a couple and their 3 daughters tragically died at Nyokron South in Juba on Saturday, May 3, when a concrete fence collapsed on their makeshift shelter following heavy rain. An eyewitness reported. Waken wa tikatoiki ko erangen chikra gatken. Nicholas Kenyi, who was at the scene of the incident, explained that the family was living in temporary structure next to the concrete wall fence with an open gate when heavy flooding overwhelmed the area, causing the wall to fall. Kan toy kana jo duel mo chu nyal chu chu ben chimenen yana mo la pitu ngati chu ben che dorin la point kal point chu pan widian. Can you describe the tragedy as heartbreaking, emphasizing that the disaster was both unexpected and could have been prevented? Regarding the accident, the tragedy that happened on Saturday, these people have built their temporary structure behind a newly constructed wall fence, and this wall fence does not have a gate, he said. When the rain fell, the water flowing through the road branch inside the fence because there is no gate. Too much water entered that floor that it ended up overflowing in the back end of that plot behind which this particular family had built their temporary structure. And of course, when the water accumulated overpowered the fence, and then the fence collapsed and fell on these 5 people who are now deceased. This happened on Saturday. Kenya further pointed out that the incident is concerning in the context of construction safety, the maintenance of structure, and public safety regulation in Juba. The South Sudan National Police Service is yet to issue an official statement regarding the incident. So mguyene me belgaramandan en dong tekakal wa kalfon telejetok wa mi pure de mo chetok ki piu shu wup ko piu ngwan ka wurke long ka ne de ti chikan kalen ti chike duel ni kana chaka jok ka jok kala mone so kan war shirmen sha shurien chagaleng so na me ajeri gadan chito mo gode nywa yekel ala na me la duel kan te gare kono ko duel mo kan la de god la pena dul goro jen go ba ik check pinya go sometime dong da dul mo kolom ka jano tele foundation mo go ngwen dul mi check mete boom boom so that one dong da na da look but anyway any let their soul rest in peace jen lere bej ci tore wi ka jubano mo to ka changa diok ka pa di ron kidan dangro jen dangro di bette kamal bye bye.